The LEGO auto lover beneficial interaction is more grounded than any time in recent memory. Throughout the years, the organization's truly gotten in our heads, utilizing the twin forces of sentimentality and moderateness to reel us in. Furthermore, to be perfectly honest, the want to play with Legos never truly abandons you, isn't that right? All things considered, if exemplary Mustang Fastbacks are your stick, there's another little-scale LEGO unit for you, simply reported amid the Chicago Auto Show. The 1968 Mustang Fastback pack is entirely little, at only 183 squares, but at the same time it's estimated moderately at $14.99. The pack is coordinated to work with Ford's 2018 Mustang Advancement designs, the auto having appeared as of late, and ideal on the back of the fairly unfathomable Bullitt Mustang Uncover, both old and new, at the Detroit Auto Show. On the off chance that you officially possess the GT40, Ford GT Race Auto, F-150 Raptor, and Fiesta WRC units, this ought to be a pleasant supplement to your accumulation.